Welcome back to our channel. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, it's just going to demonstrate how you can implement your SEO settings on Squarespace. Awesome. So another question that you might ask is, can we do SEO on Squarespace? Absolutely, yes, you can implement your on-page SEO and so on, and that's exactly what we're going to be demonstrating in this video. Okay, so let's begin with the title tags. So to do that, you need to navigate to your site. As you see here, I'm at the dashboard. And once you have arrived there, you want to navigate to the left-hand panel, as you can see here, with all the details. And you want to click on website. Once you've clicked on website, you're going to see another page is going to open with another bar is going to open with pages, and you want to navigate to the specific page that you want to optimize for. So in this example, you can just use the home page, which I am at, and you see if you hover over the home page, a little settings icon will pop by, and we want to click on that settings icon, and a pop-up bar will show, and on that pop-up bar you want to actually navigate to the left hand side of the panel and click on SEO, and you will see that this is what is currently on the title tags and meta description. And of course, this is a tutorial on how to optimize for that. So you want to click on edit website SEO settings. Awesome stuff. Now that you've arrived here, you want to scroll all the way down to your home, and then this is where you would add the title tag and meta description right here. So remember to include the location, your keyword, company name, and so on. We have a full video on how you can optimize your website using specific keywords. Please check it out in this channel right here. Awesome. Another thing that you can do here at Squarespace is you can add various header tags. So this example, I'm just using a template, and I just want to show you how you can do that. By the way, you can just exit quickly. To make changes on your website, you would want to click on edit here if you have navigated a project as I have, and then you want to let it load first, and then you'll be able to add certain things to the text and so on. So you can click on edit here, and as you see here, you'll be able to change the header 1, H2, and so on. So that's always something to know. So that's another way you can do your on-page optimization on Squarespace. So for more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment, tell us how you think. Did you find it helpful? Your feedback is highly valuable. For the next video,